How do free trade agreements affect domestic manufacturing? Have you ever wondered how free trade agreements shape the landscape of domestic manufacturing? This topic is quite important, especially when considering the balance between trade and local job growth. Free trade agreements, often referred to as FTAs, aim to reduce or eliminate tariffs and other trade barriers between countries. This can lead to increased trade and economic growth, but the effects on domestic manufacturing can be quite complex. One of the main concepts here is trade liberalization. By lowering tariffs, FTAs make it easier for countries to trade with each other. This can boost both exports and imports. For domestic manufacturers, this means new opportunities to sell products abroad. However, it also means facing competition from foreign companies that may produce goods at lower costs due to cheaper labor or other advantages. The competitive pressure can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, domestic manufacturers might struggle against lower-priced imports. On the other hand, FTAs can lead to increased exports for certain sectors, benefiting those manufacturers that can compete globally. Job losses are a significant concern associated with FTAs. For example, the North American Free Trade Agreement, commonly known as NAFTA, is often cited for leading to job losses in U.S. manufacturing. Many companies chose to outsource production to countries with lower labor costs, which affected many workers in the United States. However, it is not all negative. FTAs can cause realignment within industries. While some sectors may decline, others may grow as companies adapt to the new market conditions. For instance, the U.S. textile industry has seen growth due to FTAs, which expanded export opportunities for competitive manufacturers. From a Republican perspective, the goal is to support domestic manufacturing while recognizing the benefits of free trade. This includes advocating for agreements that protect U.S. industries and workers. Republicans often view FTAs as tools that can benefit domestic manufacturing if they are negotiated carefully. They emphasize the need for fair competition and protection for U.S. industries. Additionally, they support policies that encourage domestic production, such as tax incentives for manufacturing companies. Investments in workforce development are also crucial to help workers adapt to changing market conditions. In summary, free trade agreements can significantly impact domestic manufacturing. They can create new opportunities for exports while also posing challenges from foreign competition. The key is finding a balance that supports both trade and local job growth.